Bank and credit union executives, technology leads, and internal improvement teams rely on the lab and our intellectual property knowledge base to gain the strategic insights they need to improve performance across their financial institutions. In this video, we'll show you an actual NIGO tracking dashboard for lending. NIGO is the term we use for not in good order. It refers to any problem in the lending process which leads to delays or errors. Trackable issues such as missing, incomplete, or inaccurate documentation, or actions that prevent a loan file from moving smoothly through the pipeline. With this dashboard, you can quickly and easily pinpoint process delays and documentation gaps to accelerate lending, ensure compliance, inform training or automation efforts, and elevate the borrower experience. Here's the actual lending NIGO tracking dashboard. This is the mortgage version, but the same approach applies to all of your lending areas. Up here on the left, you can see its main tabs, which give you different views. Let's start with the executive summary. Across the top, you can see a scorecard snapshot of total NIGO count and average resolution time. Here's a trend line for NIGO volume by day. And here is the overall NIGO broken down by type. As you can see here, the majority is missing information, followed by inaccurate, incomplete, and then other. Here are the top 5 branches, sorted by their NIGO volume. Look at how Branch 1 has opportunities for improvement. Here's NIGO reported by team name. You can see how NIGO stacks up across underwriting, processing, and sales. More detail. Here's your NIGO generated by source, broken down by actual user role. And here are the resolution times in days, sorted by department. Let's switch to the NIGO view of sales. Look, you get a detailed scorecard across the top, just like in the executive summary view, but now focused strictly on sales. Here, you can see error types and even the specific documents which generate the most NIGO, sorted in order. See NIGO errors for sales, sorted by branch, and by source. Here at the bottom, the tracking log provides a detailed, scrollable summary of each entry. Let's switch to NIGO for processing. Again, you get a scorecard at the top with counts, resolution times, and trends. The error type and specific documents graphs let you quickly spot issues tied to actual forms used in loan processing. See NIGO errors for sales by branch, by source, and even resolution time by specific employee. So you can easily see where the volume originates and how long it takes for items to be addressed. Now, let's switch to NIGO for underwriting. Here, you can use the scorecard and timeline to assess performance over time. Visuals for error types and document description help identify common challenges like income verification, asset documentation, or credit reports. The branch and source level views let you spot trends and potential handoff gaps. And the summary log at the bottom brings it all together. Finally, let's look at NIGO for closing. Here's the scorecard and daily trend, which provide overall scale. The document breakdown lets you quickly identify frequent closing issues, such as CIP delays or problems with payoff statements. Scrolling down, the branch and individual employee visuals help you flag areas of concern or recognize standout performance. And as with the other tabs, the closing log captures detailed case-level insights. Transform your bank or credit union with the power of advanced analytics. To book your demo, contact the lab today.